Hi everyone, this is Sylvia speaking. Welcome to the Spinkly Creations channel, and if you're new here or even if you're old and you haven't joined the Spinkly farm, you're welcome. So remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. So anyway, the thing is, I've been on and off about creating icons for my Instagram page, and I wasn't too sure about whether it makes a difference or not, but I figured the best way to know was to try and see how it goes. So that means today we'll be creating icons for my Instagram highlight stories. So follow me at Spinkly Creations if you haven't followed me already, and check it out. So I did some browsing and I checked out the dimensions of story highlights, and that was about 1080 by 1920 pixels. My color scheme for the highlights is definitely pink and white, since those are my colors for Spinkly. For the Spinkly store highlights, I created a shopping icon. I figured I'll do this by using a shopping bag. Even though it's an online store, I think it's what people think of when they go shopping, and I represented Spinkly with the icon in the center of the store bag. For the sketches icon, I use one of my stationery graphic icons, which you can find on my website spinklycreations.com under the graphics tab and vectors. Then for my sketch highlights, I used a pencil and just wrote out the word S because it's the first letter of my initials, and the word sketch starts with S as well. For the digital art icon, I tweaked the pen a little to look like my graphics pen. And then I made it look like I'm drawing out of a digital device. As for the paintings icon, I used a brush to represent my traditional paintings. I already had a brush on my stationery icon, so it was easy to work with. For the video, I used a play button, as it usually suggests that you press play when you want to watch a video. The logo, I tried out writing the word logo, but then I felt that it was a bit repetitive, with the icon as logo and then it being the logo icon. So I decided to use the Spinkly Creations logo, but I thought that was too wordy as well, and I just needed something simple and neat. So I went with the logo icon for Spinkly. So when I'm done, I then made sure they were centered. I adjusted them to the sizes accordingly, and then I moved them to my Instagram, and I'll show you how I did this real quick. So at this point, I'm just walking you through the process of putting your icons on your Instagram page. So just watch and see how I get it done. Your highlights are the first thing people see when they land on your Instagram profile, so you want to make sure that you take full advantage of them. Highlights are also an incredible tool for businesses to showcase and promote their brand, and since they help visitors discover what your company is all about. So comment down below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.